So what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel again. Today we're gonna be doing a little bit of maintenance. Got us some drilled and slotted brake rotors we're gonna be putting on the truck today. See, I already got her jacked up in the air. Yeah, it already needs pads, so might as well do rotors while I'm at it. So yeah, let's get started. Got the wheel off here. Gonna start by taking off the caliper, then take off the bracket. Yeah, I got some paint that I stole from work. Hopefully it's enough to paint the caliper and the bracket, you know. Gotta make it look nice. And then keep on going. Passenger side done. Nice black paint. Didn't go too hard on it. Nobody's ever gonna see it unless they look through the wheels. If you were wondering what I have for my front drop, I have 2-inch springs and a 2-inch drop spindle. What is it? Control arms, but I don't live at home. I pay for rent and have other bills, so can't exactly get the greatest all the time. So go ahead and finish up the other side, and I'm gonna set her on the ground. It's actually a couple days later. As you can see, the sky is completely different. Before it was sunny, now it's cloudy. Looks like it's about to rain. Did get the install finished up. See one of the slots right there. New painted caliper. Well, it's not new, but the caliper is now painted. Came out a lot better than I thought it was. Come to the other side. I didn't put the wheel on the same way, so you can see. There goes the drill area, and another slot on that end, and the caliper painted on this side as well. I did get to try them out already, actually. That night of the install, I went to a car meeting, got a couple runs in with some trucks. And when it came to slow down, they worked. So yeah, that's gonna be all for this video. Let me know what you guys think. If you wanna put some of these on your vehicle or whatever. These are the power stop drilled and slotted rotors that ran me about 150 bucks. Get your own pads. Pads that usually come with the kits are trash. They start squeaking on you pretty soon, and they don't stop for nothing. So yeah. Leave a comment, let me know what you think, and thanks for watching.